What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today they're digging the pool. Chris was like, you should text the pool guy, it's beautiful out, and see if he's coming today. And like, I looked up and boom, the guys were in the backyard and they were measuring out and getting ready to go. So I'm so excited. They've been out there for, I don't know, maybe an hour. So it looks like they got a lot done considering they haven't been out there that long. I know this process is only going to take a couple of days to get the pool in the ground, and then concrete comes later, but I'm excited to see this start moving finally. We're supposed to have like 10 days with zero rain. It's going to be an amazing March. I'm so excited about this. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of the pool installation, and I'm super excited to see them back out there early this morning, already getting things level and filled and drilling, and it's like, I can't believe how fast they're moving, and it's so early for them to even be here. So I'm excited to see how far they get today. Originally they said like 2 days to get it like in the ground and set up, and then we have to wait for the concrete a few weeks. So hopefully by the end of today, this thing will be set. I'm really hoping, fingers crossed. So let's go see what they got going on.